Hey, I'm Jody, Barbecue Dad, your recteq expert. We get the question all the time, what should my very first cook be, Jody? Well, we've got your answer here in this video. After you complete your burn-in of 400 degrees for 1 hour, you're gonna wanna cook something super fatty, like chicken thighs, burgers, bacon, anything that's gonna splash some grease up on the inside of that chamber and start that seasoning process. My favorite first cook is chicken thighs, so that's what we're gonna show you today. Check it out. For our first cook, we use the Ben's heifer dust to season up these delicious chicken thighs. It's a mixture of salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, paprika. It's all those delicious seasonings that you want to put on all of your food. Check it out at recteq.com. All right, our chicken thighs from our first cook are done. They've reached 165 degrees internally. We actually took them all the way up to 175, 180 internal degrees. The dark meat in that chicken needs to go a little bit higher, so it's gonna make it extra juicy. Let's check it out. Woo, look at the color on that chicken. And super evenly cooked from left to right. Looks amazing. That rub available at recteq.com. Put some beautiful color on here. All right, as you can see, that first cook, those chicken thighs splashed a good amount of grease on the inside of the chamber, and that's gonna start our seasoning process. I can't stress how good Cook 20 is going to taste compared to Cook 1, everybody. You're gonna love this brand new 1250. Remember, don't forget to follow us on all social media and sign up for the newsletter at recteq.com. We've got a lot more amazing products coming out for you. Thank you guys so much. From everybody here at the recteq Worldwide headquarters, we'll see you at the recteq.